na kami sa loob ng non-swinging. Wala akong microphone. We were able to ride right away because we had a genie lane. Nakakatakot din to eh, no? Pag may fear of heights ka. Tingnan si Matthew. Oh, takot siya. Oh. Ako natatakot ako, to be honest. Dito kami. Chay, magkatabi kami. Alam na, yun na, Chay. Can you hold my hand? If you have a fear of heights, you're gonna be scared of this ride. Yan na, we're going up, up, and away. Ay, ay, ay. Nakakatakot ha.
They're gunpowder. They are gunpowder.
Wait, mamaya sasakay tayo dun, oh.
I hope that was still.
Wala, umihinto. Umihinto siya ni.
Oo nga, sasakay siya.
Takot ako. Pwede ba bumaba na? Sabihin mo, ayoko na. Ay, nakakatakot yung swinging. Dalawa kasi yung alternating eh. Merong steady lang, tsaka may swinging. Parang yung ang steady nakakatakot, lalo na kaya yung swinging, no? Ikaw, Chay, ano gusto mo? Swinging or none?
Non-swinging.
Obviously. Katakot siya eh, no? Ayun yung mga hotel zone na nilakaran namin kanina. Tapos meron siyang lake sa ilalim.
There's Guardians of the Galaxy.
You wanna ride that?
No,
But what if I give you $1 million?
I'm not taking the $1 million. 1 billion.
1 billion, okay. I'll give you
$1
one.
million.
I'll ask from Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast is not giving you $1 billion.
A billion? Ba't kasi billion para kang dinosaur? Don't believe in billion years is not really true. Because Jesus Christ only died 2,000 years ago. Kahit sa ilalim mo, mamaya sakay kami doon. Kainis wala akong microphone, hindi ko magana. Ayun yung Disneyland Hotel, oh. You want that one later? Ano bang tawag dyan? Ayun, oh, sumakay kami dyan dati. Ayun, oh, Chay, bato. Maybe once in your life you sakay there, oh. What do you call that? Yung, ayun, roller coaster, Matt. Sakay ka doon?
No, at the very top, I was like,
Meron dyang loop eh. Si Raya, sana sinama mo. Si Raya matapang sa mga rides eh. Hi, you enjoying it so far? Ano ba yan? Hinto-hinto lang, ganyan?
yeah, because they're letting people on.
Hindi siya...
Pagka nasa swinging ka.
It's funny.
No.
Nope. Hello.
Sweet nila, oh.
Wow.
Swings a little.
Meron batang tuwan-tuwa sa tabi ko. Parang siyang tuwan-tuwa eh, oh. Tingnan mo. Birthday mo, Chay?
Yeah, look, there's Spider.
Etong dalawang duwag, magka-holding hands pa. Ewan ko ba ba sila duwag na duwag? Ako yung may fear of heights, pero sila yung nangangatog. Matt, are you duwag? Ano pang next natin sasakyan, Matt? Anong Spider-Man, Chay?
Hands.
Pag first timer ka, nakakatakot siya. Pagka yung nagawa mo na siya, hindi na, no? Maybe, kapag ka, ano, kapag nagawa mo na siya, hindi na siya nakakatakot.
Yeah, we are best dudes, right?
Siguro yung ano, kaya na natin uli yun, the second time around, Chay. Can we try it?
Formerly KFC.
Yes.
The Guardians of the Galaxy.
No. Maybe when I'm older and I take my friends and they're still with me, I'm gonna ride it.
So you wanna die with your friends rather than with your family?
What do they call McDonald's now?